Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add collections to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Now you can see this products options right here. Tap onto products. After clicking onto products here, you can see this your products. Now tap onto your products, and after clicking onto your products, as you can see this top right corner, you can see this middle right corner, you can see this collections option. Tap onto collections, and there you will be able to see this option, home page option. You have to tap plus and it will be added to your home page. There's another option that how we can do it. Go to themes, office store. You can see this themes option, then tap onto customize, and now you scroll down and tap onto add section, and from there you can see this featured collections. You can simply tap onto it and add your featured collection to your home page. So this is as simple as that. This is how you can do it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.